How to restart Vizio TV without remote. To reset your Vizio TV without a remote, follow these steps. First of all, locate the physical button on the TV. The buttons are located on the back of your Vizio TV. You may need to tilt the TV slightly to access them. Make sure your TV is powered on before proceeding. After that, press and hold volume down and input buttons. At the same time, press and hold the volume down and input buttons on your TV. Then wait for a dialog box to appear. Hold both buttons until a message appears on your screen instructing you to press and hold the input button for 10 seconds. Then release volume down and hold input. Release the volume down button but keep holding the input button for 10 seconds until you see another message on your screen. Then confirm factory reset. The message will say memory is being cleared. The display will reset. Once this appears, the TV will automatically reboot. Finally, wait for the reset to complete. The reset process may take a minute or two. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your Vizio TV without a remote.